What is going on? It's your boy T. I got a different kind of box. On the last video I told you guys I was messing with a different company for a mystery box. This company is called Statement. It's in New Jersey. It's a smaller box than a beater box. This box cost me $540, so it's $500 for the box, $40 for the shipping. I don't know how often homie's gonna be releasing mystery boxes. Oh, and before I jump into this, man, shout out to those who purchased mystery boxes for me. I threw it up in my IG story on TGOTSOLE for sale. Had 2 boxes for sale and sold out immediately. Those little 2 boxes I built up. So shout out to those people who purchased from me. I know that takes a lot of trust, and I appreciate it, man. So if you need a mystery box, DM me, whatever, we can figure something out, or just stay tuned to the IG for sale page, TGOTSOLE for sale, and I'll just throw it up in the story, and boom, you got a chance to grab your mystery boxes. I build them up the best of my ability so you guys can win. And yeah, but this one comes to me from like I said, Statement out of New Jersey, man. $540 for the box. Again, $500 for the box. He got some good tape on here. He got his own little custom tape. They in the Cherry Hood or Cherry Hill Mall or something like that in New Jersey. Not for sure what the name of the mall is, but I do know they are in New Jersey. And the dude that owns the store has been putting on like crazy. So they put in a little flyer here. Statement mystery boxes. Thank you for your purchase of your first mystery box. Hope you enjoy it. So that's cool. They put in a little note here. See what else. Added in a few more goodies. Statement like a little rubber wristband. We got a lanyard here, and we got a box logo. So that's dope, man. I love stickers and all kind of stuff like that. I'll be throwing stickers all up in the garage gym now. Stickers, banners, posters, all that cool stuff. I like boxes like this, man. They, you know, quality over quantity. This box seems to have 5 pair in it. And I can already tell this box is gonna be a W just by opening it. Just because I paid $540 for it, and off top I see 2 Yeezys. Now, unless these things is beat to the ground, we got a size 8 of 350s. If I can get it open. All right, now I'm gonna butcher the name of these. I've seen these before. I'm actually a fan of this colorway. Echellies, something like that. These are size 8. These are pre-owned, obviously. It's a $540 box, so I hardly doubt we get a dead stock Yeezy. But these are dope, man. These alone is half the price of the box. Dude even got his own tag right here with a QR code on the back. So this is pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool right here. Size 8 on these. Hit me up if you need them. I actually just had somebody ask me for an all Yeezy box again. So I've been putting them together, man. You guys know, you guys watching this video, I probably already got 2 more boxes on the way. So I'm behind as always. Put that over there. We still got that pack too. 11 and 12 pack from the last box. We got a 1 box, man. Jordan Retro 1. Oh snap. We got the Pine Greens. The 2.0s. I am a fan of the 2.0s. 1.0s are way better. 1.0s are way better. That's no discussion in my eye. But these are clean. Check out the stars on the bottom. These are a size 9, and they do have the red laces in there also. I hope that camera is zooming in so you guys can see those stars. Let me step back so you guys can see these, man. These are the 2.0 size 9 pre-owned. Very, very good shape, man. Look like they were worn once indoors. Like, that's how clean they are. These are gonna sell mad fast. 1s and Yeezys. I don't think you can get no better than that these days. I guess you can, off-whites and stuff like that. I'm gonna save that last Yeezy box. I'm gonna save the last Yeezy box for last. Bro got his own box. Statement box. This is a Jordan 11. We got a size 9 of the Win like 82s. Box is a W. $540. Statement out of New Jersey. Appreciate y'all. This is a straight up W. These are size 9. again with his own tag on there for authenticity. Super clean. Too bad they not a 10.5, 11. Just so I can rock them once or twice before I let them go. But very dope, man. Check out the bottom. I mean, dang. You guys can follow them on Instagram too. They have a little. This video ain't sponsored or nothing either, man. Like, you guys want me to try out different companies. Some of y'all do. So I was like, well, let me go and get this dude a shot. And so far, I'm very pleased with it. Tag is tore off of this one, so I don't even know. These are a kid's shoe. Again, this is in his custom box. I don't know the nickname to these. These are 4Y. Girls, 13. But I'm assuming girls. You never know. These might be a boy's shoe nowadays. I don't know. But check them out. I'm assuming this is a girl shoe. Size 4Y. Again, I guess he puts his tag on everything. That's pretty cool. Check them out. I don't know how often he's gonna be releasing mystery boxes, but I'll be lying to you if I said I wouldn't mess with him again. As soon as he releases them again, I will be a player in that game. Even though I pay a membership fee for Soul Supremacy, I mean, a good box is just a good box. You can't beat it, man. 9.5 again with the 350. We have these. I think the value of these kind of went up, didn't they? I was about to say, no way these are dead stock. Check out the condition on the bottom now. Very, very clean. Are those cream Yeezy 350s. I've had so many pair of these. I even had a baby shoe, which I wish I would have kept for my son, but that was way before he got here. But check these out. Size 9.5. Again, I wish these were my size. I don't know how many pair of Yeezys I have anymore. I kind of stopped counting. They super comfortable shoe. You guys know I don't do anything for hype or nothing like that. This is, come on, man, it's just a cream shoe. You can't go wrong with that. And it's super comfortable. Wear it all day. Very, very clean. This shoe, man, I would swear this shoe had never been worn. But I mean, looking at the other shoe, obviously, but look at that. That is very, very clean, man. Size 9.5 on that. Again, this box was a W. Thank you statement. I say that like they watching my video, but anyway, appreciate the box. Glad it worked out. I will definitely mess with y'all again. So you guys wanted a different company, boom, you got it. You guys watching this video, I'm sure I got another box or two coming in from Soul. So you guys know, hit that subscribe button. It might be a video go up today right after this one, because as of right now, I currently have 2 or 3. I got 2 boxes for sure coming in from Soul Supremacy right now. So make sure you hit that sub button, because they coming in every week. Again, thank you to those people who purchased the mystery boxes from me. I know that takes a lot of trust, but I've been selling mystery boxes for a while and haven't had no complaints. So yeah, man, that's gonna conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully I can get these mugs out to y'all quickly. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, and the for sale page at TGOTSOLE for sale. Everything on that page is available, and the price does include shipping if you're in the United States. So make sure you follow those pages. Hit me up if you see anything. Hit me up if you see anything in this box. I'm out. Peace.